Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can record supplier invoices or bills on Gekko accounting software. To record supplier invoices or bills, we need to go to cost section, and from here click on new cost. We will need to fill in details on left hand side, but to make life easier I would suggest to upload file already which can be used and information read from. So in my case I will have rent invoice and there is details provided on right hand side. So I need to select the date, so invoice date is 1st August. Invoice number is rent 2022-08. Supplier, I have rent limited and it is on my supplier list available, or click on add new supplier and provide details below and click on create. Amount is 350 and I'm exempt from tax. Categories, description, I have monthly rent. Payment type, if this has been paid already I can select in which ways this has been paid, or marks this one as not paid yet, so that I haven't paid for it. Select cost category, so there is some cost categories available. If you want to add new cost category, click on add cost category and you can create or add new cost categories. So in my case it's office and administrative costs. I can recharge to customer and also allocate to project in the future if needed, and click save costs. Now this supplier invoice has been added here with attached file notifying or showing as a pin in like dark green circle, and also it is in unpaid status. So this is a way how we can add supplier invoices on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.